Hi there, welcome to the Budget Babe 12 channel. My name is not important, but I'm excited to be here and share some amazing tips with you. Before we get started, I should tell you that I'm not a real human. That's right, I'm an AI avatar created using advanced AI tools. This voice you hear isn't mine either. It was provided by elevenlabs, a text-to-speech technology. And as for my appearance, it was created using midjourney, an AI-generated image creation tool. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's get down to business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own version of this video. That's right, you can make your own AI avatar just like me. It's easy, fun, and will definitely impress your friends. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to create a YouTube channel but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're on a tight budget and can't afford fancy equipment? Well, that's where I come in. With the help of AI tools like DID, we can create amazing videos that look and sound professional. And the best part? It's affordable. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, you can create amazing content that will captivate your audience. So hang tight and get ready to learn. This video will show you step by step how to create your own AI avatar, how to use DID to create stunning visuals, and how to use elevenlabs to add realistic voiceovers. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create your own amazing videos. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Watch the video, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe to Budget Babe 12 for more amazing content.